Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and locate the power saving. So in here it's called battery saver. Once you find it, simply tap on it. It will give us a quick little message letting us know that turn on battery saver as a question mark. Battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activities, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. Now here we actually have a fairly detailed explanation on, or fairly detailed list of things that it changes, which is not always the case for majority of the other phones. Now, out of this list, some of the most important things that it changes are the last one, which is network connections. Now, it's not very good at explaining what it does, so I'm gonna do it for you while selecting turn on to turn it on. So when you turn on your battery saver, that network connections, what it does is turns off your Wi-Fi and mobile network, if you have it on, when the device is in sleep mode. Now this is considered a sleep mode, when the device is locked and not being used. So because of this, any kind of application that is relying on network connection to give you, for instance, messages like WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, and so on, will right now in sleep mode not be able to get those messages. Thus, you will not be getting any kind of notifications that someone is writing to you. But when you wake up the device again by just doing this, and for instance unlocking it, it will automatically reconnect to that network, sync up everything that was missing, so you get all your messages in bulk. So that is probably the most important change that the power saving mode does that might affect some people. Rest of them are just primarily like cosmetics. So because this is running, I believe, 120 Hz display, with power saving mode it drops it to 60, so not everything is not as smooth. Background activities are a little bit more limited. So all of the things that we can live with without any kind of problem. Now, like I said, the network is the most important one. So if that is one of the things that you don't want to change, the network kind of thing, what I recommend doing, because there's actually a better way to go about preserving your battery life, though that preservation of battery life is primarily done when you're using the device. So power saving mode here tries to save battery when the device is also not being used by turning off majority of the things that you wouldn't really utilize. But for the people that want to continue to use the device and still have a decent power saving mode without needing to sacrifice that network, you can change the brightness. Now, I do understand this might seem kind of rudimentary, just the brightness, but going from like max brightness to for instance half will yield you several additional hours of battery life, which is equivalent of what power saving mode usually does. So this alone can prolong your battery as well as the power saving mode. Now obviously combined it will give you even better battery life, but when using the device, brightness does have a great impact on your battery life. So if you can afford to drop it down, go right ahead and do it. Thus you won't actually need to enable your power saving mode and you won't lose the network features. So anyway, that was just a quick power saving mode, and additionally how you can prolong the battery yourself with some different means. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.